completely different guy on its own.
Ah.
Like, very strange man.
Anyway. The birds, the birds.
They're gonna hunt
I
one
can't.
day.
I can't say you. Aeroplane. Where are you? Spot it. I know it's cloudy, but where are you?
It's above the clouds, Mum. Give it up. Give it up.
I know it's above the cloud. It literally is because it's above our heads and we can't see a thing.
Just shoot up.
I am shooting up. That's not really bad. No, I'm not shooting up.
Target someone.
Anyway, it stopped raining. I was just talked to myself. So it stopped raining now. It's good and it's pretty warm now as it goes. In fact, it's really warm. So we're coming around the farm as well because it's nice. It's actually nice now. Warm, not raining. I've got my little elf on the shelf. I've got my big girl, my little, not so little, big giant deer, who's like you're a little reindeer. You're the size of a reindeer. You can be a reindeer, and Sharon can be the elf on the shelf, and I'll be me, an idiot. Birds are already roosting. I don't even know what the time is. I'm kind of dreading going home to see how much all this electrical stuff and what's going to happen about all the electrics in our cottage. I'm not excited to find out all of that stuff. Hey Gia, good girl. Yes you are. Hey good girl. Look at these deer runs. You can see them a mile off. Look, Gia knows them, but they're where the deer go through. They leave holes in the bushes and where they go through. And there's another one. There's another one. Sharon's standing in a deer run.
Please.
No, I don't. You're having blackberry. Oh, there's a helicopter over there. I've lost it now. I've zoomed in.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, in the trees.
It is one of those helicopters with two things.
I don't know, but
No, it's just one.
yeah, and it's got a blue.
They're coming this direction.
Well, one landed here before, and we watched it land and go and take off again. It's going in a circle. Look.
Oh, why is everything moving?
It's gone that way.
It's coming.
It's coming this way now.
Pop over those trees, please. Pop over the trees, please. Pop over the trees. That will make my day.
Oh, come on, make Sharon's day. Where have you gone? Where are you? It's so cloudy. There it is.
There it is.
What are you doing, helicopter?
I think it's just doing a circle. It has a mind of its own.
It looks like it's trying to land, actually.
It is landing.
No. Oh.
Put your thing up.
I am. It's not. I don't think it's just gone behind the trees. I think, Sharon. It looked like it was landing, but it didn't. They go straight down. They don't dip. They don't dip land. I don't think. I think they go straight down, straight up. Most helicopters, all helicopters. I should not have been in a helicopter. Over Andorra. Go on. No. The two They're too close to the other things that aren't. If you just ate one wrong thing, you could die. It's not worth it. Come on, puppy. Come on, you horror, you tree thief. Oh, look at that, just fell from the sky. Big leaf. Oh, there it is. Look, Sarah, in the trees. It is. What are you doing? It's staying in one place.
Why is that?
I don't know. What are you doing, helicopter? You're being sus. There's another aircraft over there. It's literally just
Is it just
staying
going up?
still.
It's going up.
Not getting any closer.
Zoom in closer.
I can't because it will go so blurry. See? It's gone super blur now.
It's just
But
going
that's
up.
where it is, look. And it's just
Going up.
staying.
What if someone's accidentally fell unconscious?
It's
Are
like
they heading this direction? They're heading this direction.
they've just turned, yeah. It's turning, look. And going back down. What are you doing,
Perhaps
helicopter?
it's one of those helicopters.
Spy helicopters.
No, one of those helicopters that work for that thing that shows you the planet.
Oh, there it is, isn't it?
What is it doing? Is it landing?
I think it's just landed. I think. I think it's
Can't
just
tell if this
landed.
is the best or worst day of my life.
I think it's just landed. Last time it landed here and we were over there and we were able to see more because it was high ground, and now it's over that hill, but I think it's landed over there.
What if we rush
But
real
it-
quick, right?
Because it looks like it's super far, even though it looks like it's there, it'll be such a long way away, but we'll never catch it, and I don't know if it has landed. Might not have landed,
What is
but it looked
that?
like it, huh? It was. It looked like it was looking for somewhere to land. But last time we watched it land and take off, but we were over there. But it's weird that it's here again on this bit of land, because this is where it was last time, but it was over this side and we were watching it from there, so it's like switched sides. But intriguing. What was it? Wonder what it was doing. It might have been doing what you said. It might have been doing the. Do you mean the Google Earthy things?
Yeah.
Might have been.
Perhaps.
Maybe. I don't know. I can't see whether it was a rescue helicopter. I couldn't see whether it was a army helicopter. You know what I mean, RAF helicopter. Couldn't see if it was just a private helicopter. I don't know. My helicopter's from my elbow, so I wouldn't have a clue what it was, but very cool, hey Gia. Anyway, always be kind. Peace, and I'll film it again if I can.